This one is a 1949 Royal Arrow. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Really like this typewriter because it's nice and compact. It's got the flat top and it's a classic portable. To set the margins, you just flip this top back and then move these with your finger. That's your right margin, that's your left margin. It also has a magic margin function, which will send that to wherever you are in the platen, or you can push it with your finger. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space, get you back to the beginning, skips 1 or 2 spaces. To switch from single to double, you flip that switch forward and it'll skip 2, just like that. We're gonna keep it on single for now and finish. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Type's very nice. Classic typewriter, vintage, made in America. If you want a typewriter that will not jam up on you and will not break and will last forever, you really have to go with these vintage typewriters, made in America. Anything that's made out in China or anything brand new is probably a piece of crap, and you will not have any value in it after you buy it. You got to buy these ones made of steel and metal, and this one's over 50 years old, 70 years old, and it will last forever if you take care of it. It's got a backspace on the top left, works good. If you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that stops you from typing, and to get past that, you hit the margin release and it will allow you to type past that margin to finish that word at the end. It's got a ribbon direction. If you open the hood here, you got a ribbon direction control. Right now it's pulling to the right because all the brand new ribbon is on the left. And if you want to switch that, you just switch that switch and it'll start pulling to this side. We're going to keep it pulling to the right. This is a touch control. Basically just loads a spring, creating tension on the keys. So the more tension, the harder you have to hit the keys, and then the less tension, the easier you can hit them. This is your ribbon color selector. What that does is it just raises the vibrator. If you have a dual ribbon, right now it's a solid black, but if you have a black and red ribbon, you hit the red, and this vibrator will just shoot up higher to hit the bottom portion of the ribbon. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock. To clear that, you just hit it again, and it's got these carriage release levers on each side. Allows you to control the carriage freely, and that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.